gbẹ́wẹ́lẹ́rún ó ti bá jẹ́ kí n rìn round. This person said it's coming, abi ṣé wọ́n ń sá ni. You said you want to ask somebody. We are waiting for you now. Eh?
The person is coming from outside. The parent that is coming from outside.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me bring
Your what? But they already give it to us. They're giving it to us. Yeah. So if they come then, and the place you say you want to change to, that place, the room is not ready, right? So I just want that person to be around because I'll need Naira. And I want to give something. Yeah. Mo fẹ́ jáde lọ síbi. Let me walk around. Okay, they can use this place also for party events. So, good afternoon. How was work? The outside is nice, but we have a mosquito here. The place is fine. Is that what? Yes, so we can even swim in here, Sha. Eh? But you said it's for one person.
Yes. One person will pay. One person will
How much is paid?
16.
Okay, for one person. So like if the person is not lodging here, if they want to come and swim, they'll pay.
Yes.
Okay. We can sit here now. So look, this place there. Bombisa. Another, that's another experience. The outside is actually nicer. The inside too is nicer, but they don't really work. It doesn't look like a year old. They need to hire more staff. Maybe they have a lot of staff. They want for more clean on. Okay, there's some that have balcony actually. There's one that have balcony. Let's go and talk to them about the one that has balcony. Ibi bayi. But you sit here too much. Gbogbo ifi orun igbo ma ko se nínú o. Eyan ma dàbí amugbo náà ni o. Igbo ma marun lára èyàn bí o. Níbi tí a wà báyìí Ọlọ́run má bẹ̀ wá wá jẹ́ o. Orun kùn mí, ẹ rí bójú mi ṣe days. Mi ti sùn látọjọ́ tí mo ti dé dáadáa. Àná tó jẹ́ kí n tún sùn. Àwọn mosquito ṣọ̀kọ̀ fún mi. Mo sì ń jẹ punishment mi lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ọjọ́ kọjọ́ kó máa settle. 10,000 for the room that have balcony, and we want to check the room. Let's go. Wọ́n ṣọ́ mi kiri, mi ì tún mọ àwọn tó tún security tó ń ṣọ́ mi kiri o. Ọlọ́run gbà wá o. It's for them now. Gbogbo ojú ẹ ti ní pípọ̀, gbogbo ojú ẹ ti dúdú.
But they have spread it. They have spread it.
Yes, I even saw some that have balcony. Can we have the smallest and the middle class and that balcony room? Let me see.
Okay, you want to check out the rooms?
Oh, there's no one downstairs here. There's no one down. You said what? Okay. See, I just want to. Okay, let me. I'll wait. I want to see the smallest, the middle one, and that one with the biggest that has balcony. I want to see them.
Okay, the last one. The up one.
Is the one that has balcony. Is the biggest, right?
Yes. That one is large.
Large. I want to see all of them. So I want to see the smallest. Anytime the three of them is available, let me just see them. Okay?
Okay.
Because I noticed that all of you are dodging. Are you scared of anything?
No.
So we're scared, okay?
Okay, now what's this other down one? Anyone that I really buy that checked out, I should let you know so that you will see it.
Yes, I just want to see them. I want to see them.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Sápamọ́ fún yín o. Òun kùn mí. I'm fleeced, I don't want to sleep because of this person for me. Do you understand? Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ fún Ìdòwú ní. Mo fẹ́ fún Ìdòwú ní 10,500. They must secure you. They don't. Which what? I beg. I know what any. And I got the words you need that way. I watch her. Life is what. She fresh. I don't get fresh. You won't come. Today I feel like just sleeping. Because first soon. Òní mo sọ pé mo máa sùn dáadáa lénìí because mo ṣe party pẹ́pẹ́pẹ́ party wọ́n ti stop for 11 compared to hotel bíbẹ̀ yẹn ó wà ní èsì gan opposite ẹ̀ but mo fẹ́ sùn mi tí sùn ojú mi lẹ́rìn. Forget about what kí náà what lóun mà lówó ti gbogbo nǹkan lọ. Hey, let me just tell you what happened. You see, there's some more performance low against me lórí social media. Bí àbúrò bàbá ọmọ mi. Ọmọ yẹn Ìbẹ̀jú Lẹ́kì mi báyìí ló sọ fún mi pé òun gbé. Mi sí Ìbẹ̀jú Lẹ́kì sí. Ibi tó sọ pé òun gbé close wọn bí báyìí. You understand me? Lẹ́kì ṣá, but bí Ìbẹ̀jú lẹ́wọ̀n yẹn ni òun gbé. Ọmọ yẹn wọ́n máa ń pè ní Túnjí. ọmọ orogún our brother bàbá Bukola ni, so ọmọ yẹn máa ń pè mí, ó máa ń disturb mi. About last month ni ó sì pè mí tó ní kí n jọ kí n fún un ní 5,000. They always use them to disturb me. Since I came to Nigeria, I just noticed that all of them just put their phone in modes. They put it in busy. You understand? Their phone is busy. Their phone is busy. Their phone is just busy. Do you understand? Not that it's busy 24/7. I even iron a number to call them. They are afraid, scared to pick the call. And when I was in away, they always call me. Good morning, ma. They always send them. And all of them use Lion for their DP. Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. I even want to call him. I'm trying to call him. He asked me for 5,000 naira the other day, about a month ago. Anytime he say good morning to me like that, he will ask me for money. And the money I say 5,000. Please, man, can you give me 5,000? The other day, only one owó lé san, pé owó lé wọn ò pé, mo send the only 150 owó lé tóun san. Ó lóun ti ní díẹ̀ ńbẹ̀, mo fún 50,000. I'm calling them now, it's not picking. They are scared. That borrow banky gbogbo wọn pátápátá. They are scared. What do you want to budget? You calling me when I wasn't around? I'm around now, you are scared to pick my call. Ta ló fẹ́ gbóná wojú ẹkùn bí ò ṣàwò. Mi ìdẹ̀ níkọ̀ tí mo kọ̀ fẹ́ rójú ẹ̀ lẹ̀ kíkọ̀ tí ẹ̀ rí bó ṣe máa ń yọ mí lẹ́nu ẹ̀. It's not only him, another boy like that. All of them are scared. Oh my God. Bola, please, for the sake of your daughter, stop something you are doing online. As well, to your day, they are scared because you carry Holy Ghost fire. Àwọn ọmọ àjálẹ̀ wẹ́wẹ́wẹ́. My country need a lot of job, honestly. Do you know, before, I never knew Nigeria is so Japan like that. Come and see young boys. Our boys are more kékèké. And also in hotel, the one, most of them are the one patronizing the hotel. We have something to do in our country, honestly speaking. It is well. It is well. Just imagine everybody wants to ride a big car, everybody wants to use the iPhone even when they are not working, everybody wants to live a good life even when there's no money. Tell me, why would you know you are criminal? Everybody come, you are criminal. Bring my phone. Hello? Hello? Yeah? Thank you. German diary. Oh my God. Thank you. Mo ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ilé ìpè mi sì kò tó gbé kọ́ Ọlọ́run. lẹ́yìn kò máa gbé kọ́ọ̀lù ó dẹ̀ pè mí sí i. Bola, please, for the sake of your daughter, shut up. I'm using this platform for now to communicate with people we cannot call, okay? We're giving updates about, so for the sake of my daughter. Hello? You call me now. You call me first. Is the person around? Is the person around? Shebi Toluwanimi. Shebi, the phone was ringing, you gave it to me. And the person who called me said he missed my call. Shebi, I'm trying to call back now when they call me. Remember. Good afternoon, sir. How are you? Guys, see you later. I'm waiting now. I'm waiting. I'll come back.